Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix the Google server problem on your Android phone. First check your internet connection. Try connecting to another network. Ensure your device date and time are correct. Then remove your Google account. Select Google account. Click three dot icon. Then select remove account. Add your Google account again. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Click Google Play service. Click storage use. Click manage space. Click clear data. Then click OK. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Google Play Service. If you get any update, please update. Open browser. Then visit website. If your issue is not resolved, step 2. Click three bar icon. Select second options. Then visit website. Hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching.